Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Photos. If you have Google Photos and you don't know how to use it, so just follow this step. First, open your Google Photos app, and here you will be able to check the photos and videos of your gallery. Here's the latest feature that you can take backup of your photos or videos on this app. Just tap on your profile icon, and here you have the option of backup. Just tap on it, and here you can make backup of your photos and videos. You just have to select them, and now go back, and here you will be able to edit your photos. As I am going to edit this one, so just tap on it, and here you have the option of edit. Just tap on it, and here you have a lot of feature in which you can edit this photo. If you want to erase something from your photo, so just tap on tools and then tap on magic eraser. Just tap on it, and after that you'll be able to erase anything from your photo. So let's see how. Here's you just have to scroll on the things you want to delete. I'm going to remove this one, so just do like this and then just stop it. And now it will automatically remove this from your photo. So that's how you can use your Google Photos app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.